Alright, pop a balloon again. This time I'm back with how to make a balloon cat. This is the best balloon cat I've ever seen. I really don't know, half the time I don't know where to pick things up. The other half of the time I don't want to tell you, but quite honestly, I have no idea where I got this. This is a balloon cat, takes 2 balloons. It's very simple. Take a white balloon, blow about half. You're not going to use all of this, but it's real simple. You take about a 2-inch balloon, make a very large pinch twist. Give it 4 or 5 twists, make 2 small, 1, 2 pinch twists, and arrange it so the 2 pinch twists are like that. All right. Now 2 bubbles, 1 and 2. Wrap it around. So you have an arrangement like this. Then pop it or cut it off. Set this piece aside. You have a little bit left. Tie that off. And make a series of 4 simple bubbles. There's 1, 2. And then pinch twist them. I always pinch twist the second one, third one, the fourth one, and then wrap the nozzle in and tear this off. So you have 2 pieces. You have 4 bubbles clustered, and you have the first piece you made. That's the first step. Step 2. I'm going to make this one black. Give yourself most of the balloon. Leave yourself 3 fingers or so at the end. Soften it slightly. Tie it. Tie this in right there. Right at the base where the 2 pinch twists are. Bring this up. Just wrap it around the head. Make an ear twist here. At the top. For about 1 inch. Another pinch twist. Then tuck it down around into the other. There's the beginning of your balloon cat face. Twist off the neck. The rest of it's very much like a balloon dog. Twist off the neck. Twist off a leg. And put the paws right there. And that's what those are. And twist this back and let it go. Twist that in. Give it a small body. I like it in a small body. 1 bubble for a pinch twist. Like that. Go down to the feet again. Then back up. There. And you have, this is your cat. It's a very nice profile. The only thing else you want to add to this is 1 scrap of red. A little bubble at the end. You can do this with any combination of colors you like. You want 1 little bubble. Tie that in. Right there. Get your marker. and tie your face. And there's your balloon cat. It's a very simple balloon cat, very easy to do, doesn't take long, and it's just cute as can be. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed these. I hope to be able to put out some more. Thank you.